Hey, it's OhioJimbo, and I've got a cool classic tune for you today. This is really a great one. All I want you to do is just call me by my name, and I'll be able to figure this song out for you. Join me over on OhioJimbo so we can see if we can learn this song together. Hey, it's OhioJimbo. Welcome into the barn here. We're just going to kind of go through this tune here real quick, and I'm going to show you how to play this song, Call Me By My Name by David Allan Coe, and we're going to do it in C, F, and G. Not necessarily in that order, and this is not necessarily, not even at all how David Allan Coe wrote this. Well, Steve Goodman wrote it, but I'm doing it the OhioJimbo way, so I hope you join me on this. It's very simple, it's fun, it's a sing-along, great campfire song. We'll start through this, and I'll just go through the entire progression, and I'll sing the lyrics with it so that you'll see what is supposed to be with what chord, and warn you ahead of time, I'm not a singer, so this is just so you can see where the chords need to change and how you can have fun with it. So some of these places you're going to see a C seventh, you're going to see a G seventh, and then of course you're going to see the C, F, and G. So start it in C. It was all I could do to keep from crying. Sometimes seems so useless to remain. You don't have to call me darling. 1, 2, 3, darling. You never even call me by my name. I've seen my name so many times in your phone book. Hello, hello. I've seen it on the signs where I play. The only thing I know is that I'll never hear OhioJimbo until Jesus has his final judgment day. And I will hang around as long as you will let me, let me, let me. I never minded standing in the rain. You don't have to call me darling. 1, 2, 3, darling. You never even call me by my name. You don't have to call me Waylon Jennings. You don't have to call me Charlie Pride. You don't have to call me Merle Haggard anymore. Even though you're always on my fighting side. And I will hang around as long as you will let me. I never minded standing in the rain. You don't have to call me darling. Uno, dos, tres, darling. You never even call me by my name. Now this is the part in the song where they talk about somebody came to them with a perfect country western song. Had to be Steve Goodman and John Prine, that they kind of wrote this song together. But much to the dismay of the listeners, nowhere in there did they mention anything about getting drunk, mama, trucks, old trains, prison, or anything of that sort. So you can take credit for it, just sitting around your campfire. Tell people you did looked at that final verse and decided, you know what, I'm going to rewrite this whole thing for them. And I want to show them how this is supposed to go. Now you can stay in the chord C, strum along into G, back to F, and then back to C. Doesn't matter. As you're talking, just ramble on. Let people know you're writing the final verse to the perfect country and western song. And then you can kind of end it with something like, and it goes something like this. Well, I was drunk the day my mama got out of prison. Pearl, Pearl. I went down to pick her up in the rain, oh Lord. Before I could get to the station in my pickup truck, she got run over by a damn old train. And I will hang around as long as you will let me. I never minded standing in the rain. You don't have to call me darling. 1, 2, 3, darling. You never even call me. Why don't you ever call me? You don't ever call me by my name. What a great song, David Allan Coe. Thank you so much for bringing that to us. Thank you, Steve Goodman, for writing that song. And thank you for listening to it today as you're out here. That's a very simple song to play, a fun song to play. Try it and let me know how it goes for you. Please subscribe below. I like to watch the subscriber count grow, and it is doing it. So we must be hitting a nerve and hitting it in the right place. So I think that that's one of the funner songs to play at a campfire, so I hope you enjoy that. And, well, until next time, this is OhioJimbo, and if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.